Welcome to MyProjectBazaar.com. Our project title is Enabling Generic, Verifiable and Secure Data Search in Cloud Services. Let's see the abstract of our project. Searchable Symmetric encryption has been widely used in a cloud storage. It allows cloud services to directly search over the encrypted data. Most verifiable SSE scheme only enable verifiability for single user model. So we propose a GSSE, that is Generic Verifiable Searchable Symmetric Encryption, to ensure search result integrity and freshness across multiple users. GSSE provides verifiability for any SSE scheme and it supports the data updates. It ensures both the freshness and integrity of search result across the multiple users and data owner. GSSE is a generic verifiable SSE scheme that can work with the three-party model. Data owner provides encrypted proof index corresponding to the data and authenticators to the cloud services. Cloud server will provide storage and search services. For efficient searching, the cloud using verification key to keep the privacy preservation and achieving a verification requirement and providing the encrypted document with the corresponding proof according to the token. The data user challenges the cloud services for verification of search result retrieved from the SSE scheme. Finally, the data user verify the document with a proof and decrypt the encrypted file if verification is correct. The data user have to download the document within a particular time limit, otherwise the request will get automatically closed. Let's see the flow of our project. First is the registration process. To utilize the cloud data, every data user have to be enrolled. In this process, the data uses basic information like email ID, mobile number, and the name are collected and stored into the cloud. The individual cloud ID will get automatically created for every data user during the registration process. The cloud ID is mainly used for uniquely identify each data users and then data owners. After the successful registration, the data user and the owner use the username, password and cloud ID for login to their account. The data owner can either upload the file into the cloud or update the data that are already presented in the cloud. In the upload process, the data owner will encrypt and store the data into the cloud. The data owner provide the encrypted proof index corresponding to their data and authenticators to the cloud services. The data owner is the only authorized person to add, modify and delete the data that are presented in the cloud. In the update process, the data owner select the encrypted file and then update the file with a corresponding index and then store it to the cloud. The cloud server will provide the services for the searching and then storage. The authenticated data user will search a data that are presented in the cloud and they will send a request to the cloud service provider. The cloud service provider will receive a request from the data user and verify the authentication before granting a permission. After the successful verification, the cloud server will send an encrypted file to the data user. This is the overall flow of our project. Let's see the execution of our project. Run the project. This is our index page. Let's start. So the data owner have to log in for upload or update the data that are presented in the cloud. This is a unique cloud ID that is used for uniquely identify a data owner. After the login, the data owner can either upload or update the data. First is an upload process. Choose a file to upload. During the upload, it will check whether the data is already presented in the cloud or not. The data will be already presented in the cloud. Choose the another file. And then set a keyword for searching. Here it will display the selected file and its format and then size. Click the next button. Get a secret key for encryption. Here it will encrypt the index. and upload the data into the cloud. The file will be stored successfully in the cloud. Click the update button to update the data that are presented in the cloud. View uploads. Choose a file. The file will be removed from the cloud. Choose a file to update. Update the search keyword also. Here it will display the secret key and an encrypted index. The file is updated successfully. Now the data user will log in to search and download the file that are presented in the cloud. If the data user is new to the cloud, they have to register. Username. Here we have done a validation. The password should be minimum of 6 characters. Register. Registered successfully. The cloud ID will get automatically generated. This is a cloud ID for the data user. It's uniquely identify the each data user, and then login. Now the data user will log in to search and download the document. Search a file. Here it will display the search result. Here it will show the selected file and its format and then size. Now the file request is sent to the cloud server. See the status. It's in progress. Run the cloud file. View all the uploads, downloads, and then request. Choose a file for granting a permission. View request. Here it will display the cloud ID, username, and then requested file. Valid user, grant the permission. Permission is granted. See the request status. It's granted. Get a key for decryption. Request status. Perform a verification. Download the file. Click a show download button. Here it will display all the downloaded files. When a user receive a permission from a cloud, the timer will get automatically started. The user have to download the document within a particular time limit. Otherwise, the request will get automatically closed. This is the overall process of our project. Thank you for watching this video.